Hello, Pali grammar. Euphonic combination Sandhi. Our word is Lokagga. It becomes Jinavachana Yutta word because it is found in this form in Tipitaka. We can separate that word into individual two words Loka, Agga, Visandhi. We can separate this vowel from this consonant on based on the grammatical rule Uppotita Masaran Sarena Viyoje. We can completely remove the vowel from this consonant based on Sarasari Lopan aphorism, Kachayana aphorism. Then we can connect the two words together on based on this rule Naya Parang Yutte. At last we can see the word Lokagga Jinavachana Yutta. Thank you.